Now when I go to cutting this side, I'll scoop my light over here, which will probably block out the view of that camera. I hear these Marlins have gone up recently. I think Marlin went out of business or something. I don't know what they did, but somebody put black tape around that other stalk, and it has absolutely, it looks like it's left a permanent mark right there. I can't imagine black tape glue leaving a permanent mark on metal, but that seems to be what it's done. Alright, I've got to get this thing somehow on its side. I saved my cutout piece that came out of there and make a filler piece where I can clamp this thing. And before I place that butt pad on there, I'm going to do this a sight check and make sure that this barrel, I'm going to sight down this barrel in line with this stock and make sure that it's in the middle. Because even though you plan for them to be in the middle, and even though you machine them to be in the middle, if they're least bit off, you can fix that right here and now by looking down that barrel and looking down this center line that I've got on here and sighting them up. But you can't have a light on one side to do that. You gotta have everything even. It looks really good to me. The top of this thing has got some fabulous grain in it right in here. It's going to really come out nice. Really, really a pretty piece of wood. This is the original Marlin butt plate. Put it back on. It's not in bad shape. It's around that white line right there is a little bit yellowed because, let's face it, it's just milk jug plastic, and it does get yellow after a while. Those white lines kind of fell out of grace with a lot of people, but for originality we're going to leave it there. Try to dip this thing out in the middle a little bit so the outside edges will hit really hard. Whoever varnished that stock varnished this too. I'm putting my center mark on the butt pad because I'm fixing to lose it up here. Here in a little bit, that center mark, I'm gonna have to take it out.